With that, I move to recognize the chairperson of the Senate panel, Senator Amy R. Marcos, to give the highlights of the conference committee report. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved. Senator Marcos is recognized. You may proceed, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, Majority Leader. As a result of the bicameral conference on the term of office of barangay officials and members of the Sangguniang Kabataan, I have the honor to submit a copy of the conference committee report with the joint explanation on the disagreeing provisions of Senate Bill 2116, entitled An Act Setting the Term of Office of Barangay Officials and Members of the Sangguniang Kabataan for Other Purposes, and House Bill number 11287, entitled An Act Fixing the Term of Office of Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan Officials and Changing the Period of Office from 3 years to 6 years, amending for this purpose Sections 42 and 43 of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, as amended. After much debate and, yes, virtual on-the-mat wrangling, may I share the salient points in its final form. Pasensya po, SKL, share ko lang. 4 na taon, uupo ang ating mga barangay officials para sa termino na hindi hihigit na 3 beses in the same position. Ayun. Pagkatapos, yung mga SK officials, iisang termino lamang in the same position din. Pagkatapos, ang nakatakda na susunod na regular barangay and SK elections ay sa unang Lunes ng Nobyembre 2026 and every 4 years thereafter. Doon po tayo nagkasundo at maraming salamat at sa wakas na-postpone din. Sana'y matuloy na nga ang BARM election sa Oktubre. Mr. President, I now move that we approve and ratify the Conference Committee report on the disagreeing provisions of Senate Bill as stated 2816 and House Bill 11287 on the term of office of barangay officials and the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan. I so move.
Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the Conference Committee report on the disagreeing provisions of Senate Bill number 2816 and House Bill number 11287 is hereby approved and ratified. Congratulations to the sponsor in office.